Hello creative friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making the most adorable crochet bunny keychains, perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. These little cuties work up quickly and are totally customizable. I truly hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. It really supports my channel. The great thing about this pattern is you can totally customize the size, and feel free to get creative and use any color combinations that make you happy. Want the written pattern? Grab the free PDF on my website at the links in the description too. For this project, I'm using this super soft Gazal baby cotton yarn. You'll need a 2.20mm crochet hook. If you're as pumped as I am, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and share your excitement in the comments. I can't wait to connect with you. Let's get started and make some adorable keychains together. Let's kick things off by making a magic ring. Chain 2. Then work 1 double crochet into the ring. Make a total of 18 double crochet stitches inside the ring, counting that starting chain. Remember to count your stitches as you go. Once you've got all 18 stitches, slip stitch into the top of that first chain to join the round. Now, gently pull the tail of your magic ring to tighten it up nice and snug. Then, weave in and hide that yarn tail on the back side to keep everything neat and tidy. A clean finish is what we're aiming for. Let's make it look super professional. Round 2 time, chain 2, then double crochet into the top of the stitch where we slipped last round. Next up, in the very next stitch, work 2 double crochet stitches. For this entire round, you're going to work 2 double crochet stitches into each of the 18 double crochet stitches from the first round. This will double your stitches, bringing your total to a lovely 36 double crochet stitches by the end of this round. Once you've got those 36 double crochet stitches all done, it's time to finish off this round. Cut your yarn, and let's make an invisible join. It's my favorite way to get a super seamless finish. Invisible joins are like magic tricks for crochet. They make your rounds look so smooth and professional, you'll wonder how you ever crocheted without them. Now, let's make some bunny ears. Pick your favorite color. This is where your creativity gets to shine bright. Grab your new yarn color and join it with a slip stitch into absolutely any double crochet stitch from the round we just finished. Now, let's start shaping those ears. Counting that initial slip knot as a chain, go ahead and make a total of 9 chains. For a bit of ear shaping, we're going to work a treble crochet stitch into the 5th chain from your hook. Count carefully. Next, in the following 2 stitches, work 2 double crochet stitches side by side. 1 in each stitch, of course. And now, for a gentle curve, we'll work 2 half double crochet stitches side by side in the next 2 stitches, almost shaping the ear now. Starting from the back loop only of the next double crochet stitch on the base, work 4 slip stitches side by side. You can already see the cute little bunny ear taking shape. Ready for the second ear? Chain 9 once more. We're going to repeat exactly the same steps for the second ear as we did for the first one. So, just like before, treble crochet in the 5th chain from the hook, then 2 double crochets, followed by 2 half double crochets. After you've worked those stitches and then a final slip stitch into the back loop of the next double crochet on the base, chain 1 and snip your yarn. We're making such fantastic progress. Let me know in the comments which color ears you chose. Now, following all the exact same steps I've just demonstrated, go ahead and make one more identical bunny head piece. We need 2 for our keychain. Now we have 2 bunny head pieces and we're ready to join them together. We'll use the white yarn again for joining. Place your 2 pieces together, making sure the wrong sides are facing each other. This is where the magic really happens. We're about to bring our flat pieces to life and give our bunny some delightful dimension. Get ready to join. Let's start joining from the side. Count 4 stitches back from the ear on the front piece and the same on the back piece. Join your white yarn there and work a single crochet. Once you're past the ear section, chain 1. Then, keep single crocheting around the rest of the bunny head, continuing to join those front and back double crochet stitches together. This attention to detail will give your keychain a really professional and polished finish. You want it to look amazing, right? Keep up this fantastic pace. Keep your single crochet stitches nice and even, almost at the finish line. Now we've come back down from the first ear. Right in the center between the 2 ears, where we worked those 4 slip stitches on each ear earlier. Work 4 single crochet stitches through both layers to join everything together, nice and neatly. All right. Now continue that same single crochet joining process all the way up, around, and down the second ear, exactly like you did for the first one. You can really see your little bunny friend taking shape now. I've just reached the last slip stitch point on the second ear. We're so close to finishing the joining. Before we completely close up the circle, let's add the bunny's adorable little nose. We'll use that same yarn color as the ears. Make a slip knot, leaving a nice long starting tail. Chain 3. Let's make a cute puff stitch. Pull up a loop 3 times in that very first chain you made. Carefully yarn over one last time and pull your hook through all the loops currently on it. Finish the puff stitch by making a chain 1 to secure it tightly. Now, cut the yarn, making sure to leave another nice long tail. Take both yarn tails from your puff stitch nose and thread them through the magic ring hole right in the center of the bunny head. Tie them snugly to secure the nose in place. It's a simple little nose, but it adds so much character, doesn't it? Our bunny is just getting cuter and cuter. Make sure it's nice and centered and securely attached. We don't want a wobbly nose. Tie those ends tightly at the back of the bunny head to really make sure the nose stays put. Now, back to our white yarn. Continue single crocheting, joining the 2 white circles together, all the way around the rest of the bunny head. We're almost closing it up. Once you've single crocheted all the way around and you're almost closed, leave a yarn tail that's long enough for attaching your keychain clip. Then, cut the yarn and make another invisible join to finish off perfectly. Ready to make it a real keychain? Grab your keychain clip and attach it right at the top center, between those adorable bunny ears. Add safety eyes or black beads for eyes. Position the eyes evenly on either side of that sweet little nose and attach them firmly. Let's give our bunny some personality. Look how utterly adorable it is now. Those eyes make all the difference, don't they? And there you have it. Behold your utterly charming bunny keychain, lovingly handmade by you. Want to add an extra touch of adorable? You can stitch on a few little whiskers with black yarn on each side of the nose. It's a super sweet detail. And that brings us to the end of today's video tutorial. I sincerely hope you had a wonderful time crocheting along with me and found this video tutorial clear and helpful. Until we meet again for our next creative project, please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'd absolutely love to hear how yours turned out in the comments below. Goodbye for now.